Hello everyone, welcome to Urban Wolf Garage. Today I will show you how to change the oil in an Audi 2.0 TDI. It's a 2016 Quattro. Normally, and as you could see from my previous video, I've raised the car and I've changed the oil from below. But you know, sometimes it's too cold, too wet, too grim to go under the car, you know. So I'll show you how to do it the easiest way, and which I'm doing it like almost any other oil change. I prefer to do one from under the car and one from top. It'll take you about 15-20 minutes and you're not gonna get dirty. It's clean. I prefer this one. From time to time I need to do one from under, from below. So instead of using the normal way, taking the plug out and leave the drain plug out and leave the oil to drain, I'll use an oil electric pump and I'll suck the oil from the top. I'll show you how, I'll show you what do you need to do that. So for example, I'll use a pump. I had one, it's still in my garage, but it's been used and abused, and I just brought another one which is about 33 pounds. So it's really cheap for what it's doing. The other one that I had, I've used it to take some petrol from a diesel tank. My mistake, so no one else's. I've filled the tank in a petrol station with petrol instead of diesel. I realized quite quick that what I've done is wrong. I've already done about, I don't know, 500 meters, 300 yards, stopped the car, brought the electrical pump, took all the petrol out and replaced it with diesel. So that engine was saved. It didn't have any issues. So having that pump in the garage and use it on petrol, which is quite damaging on like rubber and stuff like that, I prefer to keep it just for strange occasions, I'll say, and I'll use the new one just for the oil changes. So I'll show you how to take the oil out. I'll show you the procedure. I'll show you how I'll take the oil filter and so on. I left the car to come up to the normal temperature, and we can start from there. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
First of all, the cover on the side, and then this is the oil filter over here. First of all, open the cap. Right, so now I'll show you where I'll drain the oil from. So on these Audi models you have this instead of a drain check, oil check, you have this plug. All you need to do is just take it out, and that's where the hose goes into the engine to suck the oil out. Let me put you back. Now what you need for this, it's an old battery, which I have here. I'll position it. Up on the towel. Okay. This is the new oil pump. Brand new. Never used it. This is the one that goes into the container. Actually, open it. And the pump you have in and out. This goes on out. The wind is bad. Okay. That's the first part. Okay, this goes, the thin one goes on the inside of the pump. Okay. Now, 5-liter container. I'll stick it here so you can see it. I don't mind that to be down on the floor, but it's just for your side. Okay, now I'll connect this battery. Black one that goes on the minus. Job done. Quick test. Good. After this, all we need to do is release the filter cap. With a 32mm socket and the bar, I think I need the other side too. The oil filter is located here. Completely clean. I decided to put the container down because it's flopping around and I'm not enjoying it. Then take the thin one, stick it in the hole all the way down. All you need to do, just start the pump. And this will sit in my garage for hopefully a long time. So I took out about 4.5 liters of oil, which means it did burn some oil, but bear in mind this engine is 132,000 miles on clock. It runs smooth, but so I'll fill up the engine with the new oil, but just 4.5 liters. I'll restart the engine, warm it up, check the level, and then if needed I'll just add a bit. I'm not gonna put all the quantity because it might be something left in the engine. So that was it, nothing fancy. I'm still clean. Oh, of course I've used gloves, but normally I'm full of dust and it's quite a messy job, I'll say. When here, if you're careful enough, you're gonna come out of it untouched. So now I'll leave the car to come up to the temperature. I'll plug my OBD and I'll reset the oil change, and I shall see you on the next one. If you like this one, if you like the video, please subscribe, give me a like, or even a comment if you see something that I've done wrong. I'm here to learn, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.
Okay, let's go.